Recording! Alright, so I'm gonna teach Kelsey how to make scrambled eggs. I had to videotape this moment. She's actually near a stove. Okay, so now you crack the eggs into the bowl.
How many?
How many you want?
Well,
It all depends on how many you want.
enough for both of us.
4 is a safe bet.
Okay. I'm gonna crack eggs. So we're putting it in the bowl, right?
Yes. There's one. Oh, I'm so proud.
This I did with my grandma. This is easy.
I know. Downtown.
Okay.
Okay, now put the eggs away. And don't hurt yourself.
Okay.
Now you whip the eggs. Come on, beat them up.
I am.
Don't let those eggs show you what. Yeah. Stir it up. Alright, that looks good. Now you put some oil in the pan.
How much? What?
Oil in the pan.
Oh, it's him.
Very good.
You need to put like Brian on.
This is his radio station.
How much?
Well, just enough to cover the pan.